In this video, we're going to talk about 12.1 Objective 4, where we find the conjugate of a complex number. Remember, conjugate pairs come from the quadratic formula. If ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And this square root part is where we could get a complex number if there's a negative inside that square root, but they're going to come in a conjugate pair with being plus or minus that square root part. So let's simplify that down with the complex number already written out in a plus bi form. That means that its conjugate pair is going to be a minus bi. So a plus bi and a minus bi are conjugates from the quadratic formula. And so if I have 3 plus, and you're using j's, I apologize, I'm writing things out the way that I'm used to from another math class. So if you have 3 plus 7j, then 3 minus 7j is going to be your conjugate pair. This first one is 0 plus 8j. So its conjugate pair is going to be 0 minus 8j, and we don't need the 0. So we can just write negative 8j. And then the second one is negative 9 plus 0j. And its conjugate would be negative 9 minus 0j, but plus or minus 0 is the same thing. So there really is no conjugate pair for that. It's just negative 9. And something important, and we're probably just about to get here, but just know that when I multiply these conjugates together, like so, then normally when I multiply a plus b times a minus b without the j's, I normally get a squared minus b squared. That's one of our factoring techniques that we talked about before. Now I'm going to get a squared minus b squared times j squared. So a squared minus b squared times negative 1 is going to be a squared plus b squared, which is a sum of squares, which we never knew how to factor before. But now we can see that we can factor it into its complex conjugates like this. And that's really awesome. That helps us to be able to get what's called a linear factorization later. All right, let's come back and talk about 12.1 Objective 5 next time. I'll see you for the next video.